right. So let me introduce myself first, and then we can jump to the resume evaluation, right? So myself,
Yeah.
Shailesh Kumar, more than 16 year experience as a DBA. I am looking into that Sybase, MySQL, Postgres, and SQL Server since long
Mm-hmm.
time. And last 8 years, I am a technical interview for database. So this is my
Okay.
brief introduction. Can you start from introduction and then you jump into the resume evaluation? Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Myself, Manora.
Mm-hmm.
I'm basically come from Karnataka.
Mm-hmm.
I started my career in 2015.
Mm-hmm.
First company is Ana Systems and Solutions. I
Mm-hmm.
worked for 4 years in that company for a client to go Dabler Consultancy.
Mm-hmm.
In that, I worked on basic things like adding the space and monitoring the mails. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Then I joined the Delhi MC. Payroll is Delhi MC, and I joined the client is Goldman Sachs.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, in that, we are working in the 2 shifts, and we have worked on almost 6,000 servers. In that, we are working on it, most of the time ticketing tools only.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, in that, we have four types of alerts we will receive. Actually, in that, job failure alert, job failure backup, job failure alert, replication alert, space alerts, and server health checks.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I joined to TCS. In TCS, I worked in the ECS project. That is almost 2 years I worked on that. Later, I joined to Entity Data, and the same the Goldman Sachs. Payroll is Entity, and client is Goldman Sachs. Currently, I am working in Goldman Sachs client with
Okay.
the payroll of Entity Data.
So you are core DB of Sybase, right?
Yes, yes.
So how much total experience with Sybase? Total 8 years?
10 years, 10
10
years.
years. Okay. So how much rate yourself as a Sybase DB out of 10?
3 to 3.5.
Okay. And what about the TSQL writing, SQL writing?
Skill rating, I'm not. Yeah,
Okay, this is a very big problem with the DBAs, right?
yeah, yeah. What we are working in DB environment, right? We are working on that. That is it.
Yes, right, right. I understand basically, right? So, can you help me out to know what are the current scenario like you face like troubleshooting part or performance tuning part? Any current activities you have done in your environment?
Yeah, CPU utilization, a log space issue, temp
Mm-hmm.
DB issue.
So how you resolve that? Any steps you remember that you have to start debugging from here and you provide the solution for that?
Yeah, actually, for which issue means for performance issue, first I check whether is there any blocking in the server,
Mm-hmm.
and is there any long transactions running.
Mm-hmm.
Or first I'll check them with the application team, like is there any means they have to, I ask them to check the last queries
Mm-hmm.
of the weekend, and is there any changes in the weekend,
Mm-hmm.
like that we asked them. Later I check the query plan, is there any, and I will give the speeds to them to cross verify and
Okay.
take necessary action on the queries.
Okay. So you work on Sybase, AAC, and IQ, right?
Yeah, yes.
So can you differentiate
Maximum
between?
is AC only. Maximum
Okay.
is AC only.
So can you differentiate between IQ, AAC, and sorry, Sybase, AAC, and IQ?
ASC we can create multiple databases, but in
Mm-hmm.
IQ one server, one database. In ASC
Okay.
one server, multiple database.
Okay. Any other difference between AAC and IQ?
Because I'm not much used to IQ. We are working on ASC
IQ is
maximum. Just
that
we are
is
supporting
overlap,
IQ. That's it.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So can we help me out to understand the architecture of Sybase?
Yeah, architecture of Sybase. Actually, when we start the means install the ASC server, we have 5 traces of multiple means default databases are there.
Mm-hmm.
Master DB, temp DB, SIP system proc, SIP system DB. In this master DB, it is the heart of the database.
Mm-hmm.
Temp DB we are used for the temporary purpose,
Mm-hmm.
and SIP system proc is used for the stored procedure.
Mm-hmm.
SIP system DB for template DB.
Okay. So can you help me to know about the states of databases in Sybase?
State means
What are the state that is online, offline, read only,
Uh-huh.
emergency, or like too many basically, right?
Yeah, DB options.
Yes, that is DB options or states we can also set, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, read only means insert into bulk copy, select into or bulk copy.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we have multiple cells there. We are
Mm-hmm.
not remember.
Okay.
And DBO use only.
Okay. And have you got chance to move that temp DB from base directory to other user defined directory?
No, we can't.
Okay. And you work on, let me this one. So you work on replication, right?
Yeah.
AC replication. So can you explain what are the different type of replication you implemented and what are the challenges you faced while implementing this?
Yeah, here we means not implemented.
Mm-hmm.
Just already in my career, I worked in maximum Goldman Sachs only.
Mm-hmm.
It is a process, already internal process.
Mm-hmm.
Just I work on one standby only.
Okay.
I don't have a chance to work on implementation because in my career I am working on Goldman Sachs only. It is
Mm-hmm.
already process oriented.
Okay.
Yeah.
So would you like to help me to understand the state of transactions in Sybase? What are the states of transactions?
Rates of transaction.
Yes. So let's see, you are getting a connections. That system is getting connections from TCP IP port, right? It is landing on
Okay.
that. After that, what are the states it have, right? It is active, committed, aborted, too many things, right?
Yeah.
That is a state of
Once it's
transactions. Mm-hmm.
first it will be uncommitted data. It is saved in the log space. Once it's committed, it directly stored in the default segment.
Mm-hmm. So let me know about what is the acid property.
AC property.
Yeah, ACID. Yeah,
ACID. I'm not understanding. Come again.
that is acid properties, right? So
Uh huh.
atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, right?
Yeah.
So this is the RDBMS feature, right?
Yes.
So can you elaborate this?
Isolation, durability. Mm, yeah, by
Mm-hmm.
the way.
Not any. So okay, no. This is
Yeah.
basically the any transactions follow these
Yeah.
properties,
This
right?
yeah.
Okay. Then you work on backup and recovery, right? So can you help me out? What is point in time recovery and sorry, yeah, RTO and RPO? You got my question? What is the difference between
21 point. Yeah.
RTO and RPO, right?
Yeah. Just to be, yeah. Difference between the recoveries. Yeah. I got it.
Mm-hmm.
While explaining, it is difficult.
No, basically
Okay,
we
yeah.
being a DBA we use daily basis, right? What are the data set in
I
RPO and
worked on
RTO,
recovery
right?
long back. We will take
Yes.
a normal backups manually.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, automation. I forgot those actually.
Okay.
Point in time. Yeah. I am
So
aware of that, but
mhm.
I
Okay,
forgot.
mainly sometimes we cannot recall that, not any. So okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
can you help me to understand the AAC structure, right? Like how data is residing on disk, the physical structure.
Yeah, physical structure in the database means
Mm-hmm.
in ASA we have a two or three types of segments. One
Mm-hmm.
log, default, and data.
Mm-hmm.
Once the log was committed, then that was stored in the this one default segment. If it
Okay.
is uncommitted, is no is means last time means it won't.
Mm-hmm. And what about rest?
Rest,
So data pages, you know the data pages, right? Data writing
yeah,
the data pages. So can you
yeah.
explain what are
2K,
different
4K,
type? Yeah. What are
yeah,
different type
2K,
of
4K, 8K,
that
yeah.
is a segment,
Like,
right? The size of the page. So can you explain what are different type of pages in Sybase?
different pages.
It is segment. Then
Got it, got it. Okay. So what are the, yeah.
so have you got chance to work on that performance tuning part or query tuning part?
No, performance we are agreeable. I don't.
Only.
Yeah, we are.
So you are
Yeah, yeah.
experienced 10 years, right? You're working
Performance
L2, L3,
maximum. I
right?
worked on performance issues only actually.
Yeah. So that is
That is
if
that.
that is a
Yeah,
problem in the pages, and how can you resolve this? How can repair the
yeah.
pages?
I don't have opportunity. If you give opportunity, definitely I will.
No, basically, if you're deep dive in that errors or performance tuning, let's have a scenario. You get a page error, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Unable to read that page, the data page. Then how can you resolve this?
Permanent doing. Mm, yeah, maximum I don't have work.
Okay. So
Daily
can you
basis
help
we are
me?
working on performance issue only. That
So
is
this is a part of
yeah,
performance, right?
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not asking beyond that, right? Because
Yes, yes,
DBA is
yes.
after 2 or 3 years experience, guys working on performance tuning part, troubleshooting part,
Performance.
right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm just touching this part only, because
Uh,
we are not going to ask the simple things, right? What are the
yes, yes.
tables, views, and procedures
Mm,
that is in system, right? So
uh,
can you help me to understand the difference between shutdown and shutdown with no wait?
Shut down. It will take all the terminate all the session. What is there in means what is running on the in this internal TP.
Uh-huh.
It will take some time.
Mm-hmm.
Shut down with no wait means it will
Mm-hmm.
shut down immediately,
Okay.
terminating all the process. Check
So,
all the things.
is there any major impact you are forcing shutdown means shutdown immediate means is any impact on database or any data?
No, before shut down with no wait for running this command, before we have to commit the data first. Yeah.
So, okay. Can you help me to understand what are the different type of isolation level in Sybase? It's
So,
also related to that
sitting.
performance, right?
Yeah, you are right. Yeah,
Because
I
your
thought.
database is not
Yeah.
in default settings, and it is we developer is changing isolation level as per their convenient, right? It will also impact the data's
Yes,
performance.
yes, yes. Yeah, definitely.
Not
That
an issue,
was,
not an issue. Okay,
yeah,
basically we
yeah.
need to deep dive. Okay, let's okay. So can we help me out to understand what are the difference between sysmon and sp monitor, right? Sp sysmon, sp monitor.
Yeah, SP monitor, it will give the text tags.
Mm-hmm.
Text tags of the queries, means the text tags of the speeds, what the speed is running and all.
Mm-hmm.
Sysmon is a mon table, marks
Mm-hmm.
table, MDA table.
Okay.
In that, in that we have to check the details in detail.
Okay. Can you let me, sorry, what is the difference between truncate only or no log?
Truncate only, it means if the log is full means it will truncate immediately.
Mm-hmm.
The log space will be free. No log means it will we have to do manually sometime.
Mm-hmm.
We have manually clear the log space.
So how can you release the log manually? If you are firing any command or taking backup, what is the activity you are taking?
Yeah, yeah. You are means manually we will take like sorry the power went out actually.
Oh,
But
not an issue.
yeah, yeah. Actually, we will take manually. Like first, we have to do the dump database to
Mm-hmm.
the path. We have to take dump
Mm-hmm.
database name to
Mm-hmm.
path.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can you help me to understand the locking scheme in Sybase?
logs.
Locking
Yeah,
schemes, yeah, that is available in Sybase.
yeah. Logging skill.
This is also related to performance tuning, right? Basically, we see that
Yeah.
lockings in the
Last
databases.
example means yeah. Sometimes the blocking will happen, so that in that situation we will check for the locks actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, locking schemas.
Okay. Have you worked on troubleshooting part like a database crash or logging connections issue, something like that?
Means a database crash I have not worked, but login issue we are worked on.
Mm-hmm.
In actually what we are here in the current project means
Mm-hmm.
current environment,
Mm-hmm.
some logins they have to
Mm-hmm.
create means their own empty.
Mm-hmm.
If they have any issue, we will check. Like normally, they will do the multiple attempts, password attempts, the wrong
Mm-hmm.
password attempts, and sometimes the logins are locked. We are working on those.
Okay, so let me help me out. What are default database roles in Sybase?
SA, SSO,
Mm-hmm.
DBO,
Mm-hmm.
SA, DBO, some are there. I remember. Yeah,
So it is a part of security, right? Let's have a
yeah,
scenario if any new users connect to the database, right? So they are
yeah.
raised a request to assign read-only privilege on XYZ database. So how can you provide this or complete this task?
Yeah, we will give the only. I'll grant the permission for only if they want if they what they need means if they ask for select means I'll grant the permission to select. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
For update or
So what will the
delete.
command basically, right? I want to know.
Grant role that role name and the login name.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Have you got chance to move logins to new restore databases? Let's have a scenario. We are
Uh,
restoring new database, right?
mm-hmm.
And we required
Database refresh.
yeah,
Yeah,
database
database.
refresh.
Yeah,
So we need to restore all the existing database users on a new database creation, right? So how
yeah,
can you
yeah, yeah.
proceed this?
Yeah, when we do the database refresh or that moving those things means first we have to check the uh, database size from source to target,
Mm-hmm.
and we will to match means the database size we should equal or more than the source.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to move some default logins also, like
Okay.
sys logins,
Mm-hmm.
some three are there. We will do that. But in current environment, they only do the database refresh. We will support them. That's it.
No, so you are on L2, L3.
L2.
So L2 can do that database refresh, right?
No, no, no. Some application team is doing one year in the current
Okay,
environment.
okay.
Yeah, we have on some internal process. Just if there means if there any database mismatch or if there any server shutdown, sometimes in the weekend reboot, the server won't come up automatically. Sometimes that time the users will reach us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So you work on not tuning part, right? Because
yeah,
you
yeah,
don't
not
have
tuning part. Yeah,
not
just we are
database
working on
refresh. So
uh,
what are the activities you are doing on daily basis then?
yeah, we are working on some means backup job failures,
Okay.
replication issue, basic means all the yeah, basic one.
Oh my God.
I'm working on log space issue, and if there
Okay.
sometimes the blocking issues they came, I will give the
Okay.
speeds and log into the server and will give the speeds,
So,
and we have to ask them to take care.
okay. So can you help me out? How can you release the blocking on database?
Yeah, now once the user come into the blocking means I'll check the first select star from six processors where proc load greater than zero.
Mm-hmm.
If they found any speed means I'll check
Mm-hmm.
the details of the speed like SPO, and I'll give the SP underscore monitor. I'll give the
Mm-hmm.
details. This query
Okay.
is
Mm-hmm.
yeah. This query is blocking. It means this speed is blocking with that speed is doing this query like that, and I'll ask them to take care. That's about the
So,
speed.
so I don't understand if we're not able to install system, not able to configure, backup and restore, tuning is little bit, then why they are dividing this team basically, right? What is the project requirement then? Something strange, right?
Yeah, yeah, something is strange only, but
10 years
yeah,
guy is sitting for only the logging issues and something little bit activities, then
yeah,
really
yeah. We are upgrade
strange,
is
right?
different team. Upgrade is, yeah, upgrade is different team.
It's totally
Yeah,
strange, right?
yeah, yeah. Upgrade also different team, and this database refresh application team only do. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, so you know about the Linux, right?
yeah, basic. Yeah,
Okay,
a
basic.
little bit. Yeah.
Okay. And what are different monitoring tool you are using?
Monitoring tool here we are using this one only. We have made like Red Hat only.
Okay.
Different thing too. Other than that, no, we are using that one.
Okay. Now, if
Yeah.
are you using that system tables for monitoring?
System table sometimes maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, and what can I ask then? Hmm, and
Yeah, I'm looking for the opportunity to work on those, but don't know it will happen.
yeah, it's very strange, basically, right? If you
Yes,
have
yeah,
10,
yeah,
10
yeah.
years experience and they are not allowing you to work on the databases for performance tuning and
Performance,
troubleshooting and
yeah,
backup
yeah,
database refresh, then totally strange, right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay, but you have mentioned here, right? Too many things you have mentioned in that
yeah, yeah. I
resume.
worked in the beginning company. After that, I forget actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you are getting tickets or you are getting email to how they are
Both,
assigning you
both,
work?
both, both. Here, internal tool called Apiro ticketing tool,
Mm-hmm.
and we will get the mails also.
Okay.
Yeah, both.
Okay. So you've done patching or upgrade, or it is also done by different team?
With both the upgrade also different team. That is called the scheduling team. Scheduling team is
Yeah, it's first time
working
I
on upgrades.
totally seeing this totally strange. Yeah, it is
Strange,
it
yeah,
is
yeah.
it is capping for that L1 DBs, right? L1 DBs not perform these activities too many companies because
Yeah,
data
yeah, yeah.
critical,
But
right?
yeah,
But 10
here
years
we
guy.
are. Yeah, here my team is called frontline. Scheduling team will do the upgrades.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we have almost 10 plus the servers, 10,000 plus servers.
Oh my
We will
god!
monitor all those. Yeah.
So there's a huge team, right?
Yeah, yeah, huge team, 17 members of team we will manage.
Oh.
Scheduling team is different, our team is different. And normally application team is coming for the dev sync also, means a database refresh also.
So what are the normal activities you're getting very frequently on daily basis?
And normally means means job got failed because of
Mm-hmm.
space issue.
Mm-hmm.
Maximum here, we are facing space issues only.
Mm-hmm.
Maximum. Then replication, sometimes replication will came alerts because of login failure and all something. Then database means default space issues and the L check part.
Okay, so you are working with entity data on
Yeah,
third
it is.
party payroll, right?
Yeah, yeah,
That's why entity data. Okay.
yeah. Please give the opportunity. We will work definitely.
Yeah, this is not in my hand basically. I am just a
Yeah, yeah,
technical evaluation, right? I can.
yeah, yeah,
This is the
yeah,
see. This is a recording call, right? Everything is generated
yeah, yeah,
automatically.
yeah,
There's a AI and all,
yeah, yeah.
right?
That's why I'm looking for opportunity. Yeah. Uh,
Okay, so it will totally fail by the AI, right?
yes, yes,
Something
yes.
that. Okay. So I think I have done what I can ask basically. So I had done from my side. Do you have any question? You can ask. I feel free to answer that.
Yeah, yeah. Nothing from my end.